Hello everyone. As you know, this week we've been reflecting on how we responded to the COVID-19 pandemic within the Faculty of Biology, Medicine and Health. And in this next video, Professor Gabrielle Finn, who joined us as our Vice Dean for Teaching, Learning and Students halfway through the pandemic, will explain how we made the rapid transition from face-to-face teaching to online and blended learning, and how the staff within the faculty responded magnificently to this challenge.
So the biggest challenge that the teaching and learning team have faced is trying to move all of our teaching online really rapidly. So in some cases that has been less than 48 hours notice. The team have had to create all of their teaching resources, their lectures, their seminars again from scratch in the absence of any sort of physical work environment or equipment. They've tried to come up with really innovative and engaging ways to get the students to learn using all sorts of different creative pedagogy. It's been really great to see all of the commitment from the team and how everybody's pulled together to give the students a really positive learning experience. Of course, bringing all of the students back on campus has been a big challenge for all of the team. They've had to work really hard to try and pull together lots of new safety protocols and health and safety considerations to make sure that it's a really safe environment for everybody. One area of our provision that's worked really well has been that of our postgraduate taught programmes. Many of those are already online or use blended learning, but what we've seen through the pandemic is them really develop and become even more engaging and interactive. As we move forward, the faculty are trying to ensure that we maintain excellence as one of our priorities. We want the students to have an optimal learning experience, and we're doing that by continually reviewing our provision, looking at what's worked and hasn't worked and the lessons learned. We're also working with our regulators and our accreditors to make sure that we're meeting all of the standards required. So some of our priorities are around trying to create an inclusive and nurturing environment for staff and students as we move forward. We need to achieve that regardless of our distance. Some of the initiatives that we already have, such as access and winding participation, are key to that. So as the pandemic continues, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank everybody for their ongoing commitment to teaching and learning and to giving our students a really positive learning experience.